Let me be your. Let me be your. Oh God.
Forget God in this matter.
The Igbo girl in me is just like, Lord, Lord. Let me be your lab rat. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite YouTube auntie, Adora. Welcome. I haven't been consistent with my content and I apologize. I'm going to have to explain to you guys soon, but for today, I have a hack for you. So now, come. Everybody is born with like seamless, no hair skin. And sometimes it's always a hassle shaving, using shaving sticks, using razor, getting razor bumps. Like myself, my teenage years were like, it was mad. It was hell for me. I had balls and balls just from shaving. If you're someone like me, I can't afford laser hair removal right now. I used to be able to afford it. And I don't think I want to go through the experience of waxing. I have the worst phobia for that thing. I don't think I want to go through that experience. But without much further ado, we're going to try this little bad boy here. This is called Magic Shaving Powder. Recently, I've been seeing a lot of videos and a lot of stuff and hearing a lot of stuff about this thing working so well for hair removal, underarms, bikini line, even for facial hair. I don't know. I don't want to try it for my face anytime soon, but I've decided to drum rolls for the sister, Heriana. I've been keeping this hair for the longest, guys. I'm sorry. Like, okay, I'm tired. I don't think I want to shave anytime soon. And I've been at home. I've not been going anywhere. So like, who's going to know? Who's gonna know? They're not gonna know. So I decided to try this hack and see. Let's review this together and see how it works. Let me be your lab rat, guys. So let's try this together and see how it works. I know that this comes in 3 types. When I googled it, I saw that there was like a yellow one, a black one, and then this one. Okay, I could only find this one in the local store here in Enugu. Okay, in Nigeria. I'm in Enugu State right now, by the way. So I could only see this, and it says extra strength. I hope that this does not burn or any of that stuff. Anyway, at the back here, oh my god, there's a lot of do nots. Do not use this product with the razor. Okay, read the caution statements below prior to use and follow all directions, yada yada yada. So it says wait 36 hours after using any razor, shaving product or depilatory. I did not use any of that. Do not use after perspiring. Wait at least 36 hours after using a razor or depilatory product. Before doing this, mix half like a teaspoon. Oh, this is for a test. Apply 1 each section, leave on for no longer than 5 minutes, blah 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 blah. Directions: mix 2 heaping teaspoons of shaving powder with equal amount of cool water. Apply the creamy mixture to your beard, leave on for 5 to 7 minutes. Remoisten if the mixture dries. Remove with a damp cloth. Rinse shaving area thoroughly and do not wash with soap. If any hair remains, wait after 24 hours before next magic shaving powder application. So guys, without much further ado, let's mix this bad boy. Okay, so guys, I have here with me the shaving cream. Just open it up. I couldn't find my teaspoon for like measuring my stuff, so I brought like a tablespoon. So I know that about 3 teaspoons makes a tablespoon, and it calls for like 2 heaping teaspoons here. So I'm going to like use like a level of this. I think that should suffice. Oops. Kind of strong. It doesn't have like such a bad smell anyway. Doesn't have such a bad smell. So this is it. I'm using this aluminium moi moi plates in Nigeria. That's what we use this for. I'm just going to use this for the sake of this. Put it in. I'm going to pour the water on mix it. Is it right to use this? Oh god. Ew. Easy. Please mix it gently. Don't be such in a haste like me. I don't want this to smells like Veet. Ew. Smells horrible. It says that I shouldn't perspire, and I'm feeling a little bit of heat in my armpit, so maybe I should just put on the fan. I had to put this fan off because of the noise interfering with the video. As you can see, this is my mic. Improvise. Okay, so I have the fan on right now. It's facing me. I'm using this brush this application brush. And please, for the purpose of this, make sure you're using like a cloth that you don't mind staining, because like that's why I had to wear this, you know. Okay, so I think that should be it. So we're going to wait for 5 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back. It's 4:48 already, and I have like this damp washcloth, stamp rag. I'm just going to use this to wipe it off. This thing smells horrible. I won't lie. Once you mix it with water, it smells this. Jesus. Let's see how it works. I don't want to go too hard, but like, ooh! Oh my god! Wait, can you guys see the hair? Wait. Can you see? Can you see? It works! Wow! Wow. Oh, it does work! Wow! Oh my goodness. I'm trying not to go too hard. Oh my god. This shit works. Sorry, language. This works. I still have little tiny stubbles. I don't know how to get that off. Like, I have like tiny hair still. Oh, still smells horrible. I still have tiny hair left. Can you guys see? Can you see? I don't know, but overall it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Let's get this one off as well. Oh, ew! It smells like egg, gutter, and something else. It smells like a mixture of so many things. It smells better when it's dry. Ooh, so oh my god! Saying bye bye to shaving sticks. Throwing them out. Oh god, trying to avoid doing this too hard to avoid irritation. Okay, that part burns a little bit. I don't know. I'm kind of scared. Why does it burn a little bit? That part burns a little bit. It does burn a little bit. But maybe because I was sweating before now. I'm trying so hard not to spill my titties on camera. So let me go off camera and wash this thing off and try like wipe out the remaining stuff, because I have this thing all over the rag. So I'll be right back. Magic shaving powder review, guys. please, I'd love you guys to try this out. You know, if you'd love to try this out and tell me how it went for you, what the experience was like, and if you love it and would love to try it again. This is an 8 for me. I would love to use this as a routine. Okay, so yeah, is it good? Yes, aside from the smell, which is like the downside for me. The smell is I don't like the smell at all. Even till now, I'm still getting like a whiff of it. I'll have to like shower later in the evening because I don't know if I can use soap right now under my arm. But like maybe I'll give it some hours and I'll shower later, and then maybe anything to get the smell off me. It's no stress, no hassle going over with a shaving stick. And another thing is that before I wait it that much, I will have to wait and see how the hair grows out, how long it takes the hair to grow, because like shaving stick, my hair grows like the next few days. I'm already seeing fresh hair and it grows out too thick. You know, the part that's left out grow out too thick, and that's why sometimes when you shave your bikini area with shaving sticks, it will just choke you, like to grow out so thick and keep choking you and itching you. So I just have to see how this grows out. Maybe I'll make a video on how the hair grew out and then see how it worked, if it's good enough. But overall, this was a good experience aside from the smell. Yes. Would I love to try this again? Yes, I would. So please, I would love you to try it as well, and then tell me in the comment section how it worked for you. Did you love it? And all of that. Keep supporting me and, you know, all my subscribers. I love you guys. And if this is the first time you're watching my video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with your friends to try this out. And you know, turn on the post notification if you haven't turned the post notification on, so that when I post juicy videos like this, you'll get notified. I love you guys. It's your favorite YouTube auntie, Adora. Bye. See you in my next video.